One accessory I really like are the 3D printed triggers from Aliexpress. So these triggers are very minimalistic, where they don't add much bulk or depth to the device, but really help with where your finger touches. So they just snap on. Let's see if I can remove it here. Yeah, so it's just this little piece of plastic, and you snap it on to the trigger. And this is the stock trigger. When you're using the device, I have smaller hands. Only the front part of your finger is touching it, and it's this kind of sharp plastic, this weird angle. I don't know why they designed it like this. And it's just the top part, so when you're doing racing games, it's very awkward, and you don't have much leverage, and it's also sharp. Now compared to here, you see how like it's more of like where the first bend of my finger is now, instead of just like right here at the tip. So now you have more leverage, and it's easier to pull down, and you don't have that weird awkward sharp lip, and they just clip right on. And as you can see, it's not a big difference in terms of depth. It's just really rounded here. I don't know why they rounded it off so much. Some people said they become a little loose, so you could use some double-sided tape in here. But when you're just putting it on, you just start with one side, and then you just rotate it, and it clips on. And it's quite secure, but I may add some double-sided tape just in case. Yeah, it doesn't add much depth at all, but it makes it a lot more ergonomic. So this is $11 on AliExpress. Do not buy them from Etsy. Etsy is charging like $25 Canadian or $20 Canadian plus another $20 for shipping. So that's like $40 for a piece of plastic. Just buy them from AliExpress. It's a lot cheaper. Like 11 bucks is still kind of pricey for plastic, but I'd rather pay that than $40. Some people say just get your 3D printing shop to print them. Well, I can't find any locally, and they charge a lot more unless you have a 3D printer, which not many people have.